going to be using the new Nerf rival and testing it. I'm going to get a little table, put some little items on there, and try and shoot them with the new Nerf rival, which is right here. This is the new Nerf rival I got for Christmas. It works really nice, but there's like a little safety thing. There's this, and it's hard. Sometimes it will get jammed and it won't work. That's why you have to be careful with this thing. So, I just loaded this one, and I'm gonna get a little table like this, and these.
Don't play Spin the Forces. Are we still shooting?
Here we go. So that is it. I'm out of bullets with this gun. I'm gonna load again. I'm gonna load up again.
Now like Joe to see what that screams all the time. Are you still shooting?
Yeah. I can do a front flip.
Can I show him? Alright, I can do a face plant.
Oh, okay. So I managed to get all of the items that I was planning to get.
What happened?
The only thing that happened that I didn't want is that this one tipped over and it did not get off the little drone table. So that is not good because that doesn't count. So now I'm going to have to load up again. So now, what I think maybe we could do is maybe I could get my brother, Braden Hutchinson, to play with me if he wants to. You want to play with me, Braden?
What do you mean play?
Maybe we could we could go downstairs. We could go down. We can play basketball downstairs in the basement.
Play this with me. Yes.
So he doesn't want to play it.
Dude, take it.
I'm going downstairs. So I'm gonna go downstairs. we took our Christmas tree down today. And, I'm going upstairs. My next vlog will probably be doing the toxic waste challenge. Me and my brother Braden will both have to put 2 lemon toxic waste in our mouth at once. That will be fun, but it will be hard. So maybe we can go upstairs. We can watch my brother play a little bit of Roblox, and he likes to play this game. I don't know what the heck this game he's playing right now. Legendary Football by Kapler. He likes to play Roxbury because me and my brother, we have Robux. So yeah, I want to watch him. We're gonna watch him play a little bit. We're gonna watch him play a little bit of Roblox. In 3, 2, 1.